The given problem is valid parenthesis given and string containing just the characters. These are the characters. Determine if the input string is valid or not. So they are giving the string. We should check if it's valid or not. That is, the opening bracket must be closed by same type of brackets. The open brackets must be closed in the correct order. Every closed bracket has a corresponding open type of same type. So if you see here, the opening bracket is closed by same type and in the order, and it is a corresponding closed bracket. So same here, the opening bracket is closed by the same type of bracket and in the same order. So we should check this. uh, so so it will like if the given will be like this. So first we will take the string, that is we'll check the length of string. So we'll start with this one, then the next character should be this, that is a 1 point, and the second point is it is of the same type, and also it should not be null. Like it is kind of when we look at this, the second corresponding should be look like this, then immediately we will remove both. So it is just kind of whatever the coming the first one, we are removing it, like the first in last out, or whatever last one coming the last in, it's coming first out. So we can use a particular data structure for this operation, that is a stack data structure. So it will look like this. So first suppose the given string is this one here. First it will we will insert this, then uh, the corresponding, if it's going to be inserted like this, like first we will define the uh, stack data structure with the inside it is characters, right? Something object is equal to new stack. Then we will start uh, traversing the length of the string, s dot length and I plus plus. So first, if starting s dot caret s dot caret of I is equal to our closing brackets, whatever like the given, whether this or we'll see this one, that is the flower bracket, then the square bracket with the openings or any one of these, then we'll simply push that character into stack. Object dot push s dot caret of I. So that first step we will do, like you can see here. First whenever it comes the closing opening bracket, any of one of these we'll just push into. Then else if uh, s dot caret of I, if it is equal to closing bracket, and here the important thing is the s dot size also should not be equal to 0. Like just imagine the case, like if we got like this this one uh, corresponding like this. Like we can take whatever the order, it should be mismatching one. And h dot the object dot peak should be is equal to peak. It just peak means it just show the topmost part. It should be the corresponding, suppose it is the closing one, right? The opening one should be like this. So then we'll simply do that object dot pole, that we will remove one. And this is object dot, that is stack. So if when we comes to the closing one, and the second one is the this one, right? So here the object, the size is not 0, and also the whenever I'm seeing this, the peak still is this one, right? So I'm just removing it. So then I'll comes to this point. Then whenever I will see this, I will remove the topmost value as this one. So at last the stack will be empty. So I will do the same thing for remaining three brackets. Like here, this one, suppose if it is closing is square bracket, the opening is opening square bracket. If the closing is flower bracket, the opening should be opening floor bracket. Then at the last, then else we'll simply if no other cases is going to be, then we'll simply return false then. So after of everything of this, like I will close now my for loop as well. Then I will return my object dot size, whether it is equal to 0, because at the end it should be 0, then it will return true, right? So I'll run this code. uh, Object dot h dot caret, here this should be closing one. Object dot pole, cannot find the symbol object dot pole. Actually we should use the pop. Pole is used for the queue data structure, or we can use the object dot remove as well. Yeah, here also everything. Yeah, so all the test cases first. uh, let's run this. So this concept is on stack data structure and the concept of strings. Yeah, it's submitted successfully.